Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use tremolo effect in Audacity. So for example, we have here this one audio. Let's click on it and listen it by clicking on this one button. It is simple testing recording 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if we would like to add tremolo to this audio, we need to click on it, and after that we need to go to Effect tab. Now we need to open distortion and modulation settings, and then we need to select here tremolo. Now you can select one from few available waveform types. We have here sine, triangle, sawtooth, inverse sawtooth, and square. I recommend you to use here sine. You can modify here starting phase, wet level, and frequency if you want. But if you don't have experience with this effect, I recommend you to set here everything on default. And after that you can click apply button to make changes to your audio. And now tremolo effect should be successfully added to your recording. So let's play it and check how it works. So I click play button. It is simple testing recording 1, 2, 3, 4. How you see effect is really visible now, so if I helped you to use this effect, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in comment if it was helpful for you.